Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Jackson Ng, and today I am very excited to talk to business owners and entrepreneurs. And what is the topic for today? We will be exploring together on 7 business strategies, how to improve your return on investment, how to improve your revenue and your sales. Because as you know, as a business owner, sales and revenue is the lifeblood in your business. It's like you want to know how healthy a person is. You look at the quantity of blood in his body. It should be around 70% of the whole body composition is of made of blood. Now in a business, how healthy is your business? It all depends on cash flow. What is cash flow? How much money coming into your company? How much money going out from your company? So today I'd like to share with you 7 strategies that you can consider and you can apply, especially in the new normal. Why? Because business owners have to be thinking of strategies all the time. And what works 2 years ago may not be working any longer. Don't you agree? Today, let me share with you strategy number 1. Whatever marketing strategy you want to use, you must always be considering of using low cost strategy. What is a low cost strategy? Low cost strategy is when you don't spend a lot of money, but you can actually spend lesser money on your advertising and your promotion so that you don't burn your cash flow. All right, and there's a lot of low cost strategies. For instance, if you want to throw money in Facebook, might as well you let people know I have a shop and I have this food, and I like you to come and try the food. So if you let people try the food like buy one free one, then you can get a lot of people coming to try your new food. Okay, that will be a low cost strategy for you to advertise. So it means that instead of spending all your marketing ringgit in the advertising, you may want to put into giving it away to the customers. So customers can buy, like, they get the second item for free. This is also a low cost strategy. Somebody asked me many years ago, Jackson, I got limited budget. How can I compete with Coca-Cola? How can I compete with the 100 Plus? I say you can't compete with them. They are big boys. But what you can do is go to the local shops and then tell the kopitiam owner, here are some of the free drinks and I'm going to supply these free drinks. You can sell all the drinks and keep all the money, because we are trying out new product. We are trying out new drinks. So when you enable these drinks to be available in the kopitiam, the bosses don't mind to try to sell your new drinks. So instead of spending a lot of marketing ringgit on television and radio and other media, you might as well transfer the cost to the user. You are transferring the marketing ringgit to the user, so the end user can actually drink and try your new drink. And for the shop owner, they are very happy because they are actually getting your products for free or at a very low cost. That's strategy number 1, thinking of using low cost. Strategy number 2, very importantly, is called branding. I went to the 2 shops selling chicken rice. The first one is very popular, selling chicken rice. So I bought 3 packets of chicken rice and I look at the wrapping. There's no sticker, no logo, nothing. It's just a normal wrapping, but they're really in the chicken rice business for a long time. Then I went to the second shop, also sell chicken rice, and it's called Authentic Chicken Rice. So when I buy Authentic Chicken Rice, I see the way they wrap the chicken rice is of a certain standards, and they have a logo and they have a sticker with telephone number. Now, let me ask you, which one do you think customers will remember? First or second? I bet you will agree with me, customers will remember the second. Why? Because there's a proper wrapping and there's a certain standard and there's a logo and there's a telephone number. That simple branding helps the second shop to sell more. Because as a customer, I can keep the telephone number, and next time when I feel like eating chicken rice, I just can call them and say, can you get ready 5 pack of chicken rice for me? And I will be driving by and pick up from you. So ladies and gentlemen, branding is what you want your customers to remember about your product and your services. Pay attention to branding. Third strategy I'd like to share with you is called pricing strategy. What is a pricing strategy? Well, you know, the same product, if you put in different location, it will demand different pricing, right? Example, this cup, if you sell this cup in Petaling Street, you can tell that you can only sell about 3-4 ringgit. But if you put this cup in places like Pavilion, KLCC, at the airport, you maybe can sell 30 ringgit or 25 ringgit. So depending on where you put this mud here, it will command different pricing. Our products today will also demand our attention in the pricing factor. Now, as you know, the market is not doing so well. It is a perfect timing for us as business owners to look at our products and to ask questions like, can I lower down the pricing? Can I chop down the quantity from bigger to smaller quantity, or bigger size to smaller size, and make it more affordable? If I can make it smaller portion or smaller size and people can afford to buy, then I have this competitive edge, meaning more people can consume my products. This is exactly what happened to AirAsia many years ago, before the pandemic. They were doing so well because they managed to lower down the fare of the ticket to only 100 ringgit, 80 ringgit, 90 ringgit. And when this business model was so successful, they duplicate in different countries because there's a huge market of people who want to fly and cannot afford to fly. So when AirAsia used this strategy called pricing strategy, they have zero competition. They were not having competition with the bigger players like Malaysia Airlines. Why? Because they positioned the price so low. They managed to turn the aeroplane into a school bus. I call it a school bus because it's always full house. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, this is again pricing strategy. Strategy number 4 I'd like to share with you is called product creation. I have a friend who is in the business of selling durian coffee. This guy is selling durian coffee at a premium because he was targeting the China tourists who came to Malaysia. Unfortunately, although he was doing very well before pandemic, but when pandemic hit the whole world, there were no tourists coming to Malaysia. So what happens to the products? No local consumers are buying. So he had no choice but to re-strategize the whole business. And they came out with the new products to suit the local pricing, to suit the local taste, and to suit the local needs. This new creation gives them new revenue because the premium coffee that they sell at about 4-5 ringgit per share, the local people are not consuming it. So by creating new products, this sustains the business. I hope this example will give you some idea that it is important in this new normal for business owners like you and me to create new products. And if you do not create new products, you never know that it will go well. You will never know. Strategy number 5 that I want to share with you is called new market penetration. What is new market? New market is the market that you have never entered yet. If you have never entered that market yet, it's a virgin market and you can try to go in by offering new products. So you got new products, you got new market. New products, new market. It's good to enter new market because if you do not enter new market, you will never know there's revenue here that going to your company. And ladies and gentlemen, the last strategy I want to share with you is called buy one, free one. Is about selling strategy. Selling is very important as well. There are many strategies that you can use in sales. Example, buy one, free one, which is used everywhere. Buy one, free service. Buy one, free warranty. Buy one, free 2 different items. So when you let people use your free, you're using this free thingy strategy, you will attract a lot of people. Why? Because consumers like something free. Customers like to get something for free. So buy one free one, buy one free two, buy one free something is still a proven strategy. My name is Jackson Ng. I'm a trainer for entrepreneurship and business enhancements program. And if you learn something from me in this short video, I'd like to invite you to give me a call at the number below, and let's see how I can help you in the area of sales and revenue. And I like to train your company, especially to help your company gather more ideas so that you can thrive, you can do well in the new normal, and you are not so affected in the area of cash flow and your sales and revenue. And the good thing is you're able to bless the people you hire. You don't have to fire them because your business is still doing so well. So ladies and gentlemen, with the 7 strategies I share with you today, I hope you can try it out. And if you want to have a conversation with me, you want me to do some coaching, business coaching with you, or to do training for your employees, call my number below. Thank you for watching this video. As business owners, it is our responsibility to re-strategize our business so that we can sustain, if possible, we can thrive in the new normal. Thank you for watching.